Let's make a lemony scallop angel hair pasta. It's spicy, tomatoey, succulent scallops topped with wonderful golden breadcrumbs on the top. It's absolutely delicious. So guys, you know, as a chef, I always like to prepare everything from scratch, but sometimes you're so bogged down with work that you just don't have the time, alright? So I'm going to be sharing with you today one of my go-tos for a real quick, convenient dish using Prego's Spicy Seafood Arrabbiata pasta sauce. So the first step for this dish is we're going to prepare a nice golden breadcrumb to put on top of our pasta later on. We start off by sauteing some breadcrumbs with a little bit of butter and topping up with some lemon zest. Oh, you get this nice, beautiful toasted breadcrumbs and lemon fragrance from this. Once we top it up with our pasta, it's not just going to add that nice fragrance, but also a nice sort of crunch to the dish. Now, next off, what we're going to do is we're going to start marinating our scallops. So now that we've got our scallops and breadcrumbs out of the way, we're going to start boiling our pasta. So now that we've cooked the pasta to al dente, we're going to start making the sauce. First, we're going to prep a couple of ingredients. Bit more scallops in there. It is absolutely delicious. Now, a 10-minute meal of this quality really just gives you such satisfaction at home. You know, it doesn't take very many ingredients to make. It's so quick to do. Spicy seafood arrabbiata sauce from Prego really does have a nice balance of tomato. You get a nice kick, yeah, from the spiciness in there. Also, this nice umami of seafood taste in the arrabbiata sauce. And you get the crunch from the breadcrumbs. Something so simple can really just elevate a dish like that. So delicious. Now guys, this is definitely one of my go-tos for having restaurant quality food made at home literally in minutes. Thanks to Prego's Spicy Seafood Arrabbiata pasta sauce. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3, and now you can have the goodness of seafood from Norway in your home. Now guys, let me know in the comment section down below what are your go-to products or your quick hacks towards having days when you're just so busy but you still have good food at home. Take care guys, I love you all. Hey, if you've enjoyed this content, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and I'll see you next time. Ciao.